Ollie Stevenson, Unit 20. So we're going to start with just give it a little wiggle. Give everything a little shake. Your arm, both legs, touch. A little wiggle. Okay, yep. Are you thoroughly wiggled?
I'm thoroughly
Very
wiggled.
wiggled. Good. So we're going to start from the head down. We're going to roll each vertebrae down. And then we're just going to dangle there for a bit. Yep. So, you ready?
Yep.
And then when you get to the bottom, you just sway your arms a little bit. And back up. Make sure your head's the last thing to come back up. Every little bit. And then stretch your arms really high. Not very high because I'm like 5'4". And then 3, 2, 1, we're going to drop them down. Yep. 3, 2, 1, and that's straightened you out. It's good. Decent posture. Okay. So now we're going to pretend you've got toffee in your mouth. Really. It starts off quite small. Just a little bit. But then the more you eat it, the more you really. Oh God, this is freaking huge. Really get all, absolutely every single piece. Nice. Is it down? And swallow.
It's down.
Go down. Go down. Sorry. Good to hear. Good over there.
We're going to hear.
Oh,
What's this? What's this? What? What's this? What's this?
why?
It's the magic ball.
Okay. So this is this little song. It's really quick and kind of wordy. So it really helps with your articulation and your pace and rhythm, because kind of stay in rhythm with everybody else, otherwise you're just going to lose your foot. It's going to be an interesting song. So it starts off with the chorus, and every time it goes back to the chorus. So the first verse would be, oh, roll the rattling bog, bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog, bog down in the valley, And on that, in that bog there was a hole, a rare hole, a rattling hole, a hole in the bog, and you go back to the one that's there previously, okay? So it'd be a hole in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, and in that bog there was a tree, a rare tree, a rattling tree, a tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in that valley, and on that tree there was a branch, a rare branch, a rattling branch, a branch in the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in that valley, and on that branch there was a limb, a rare limb, a rattling limb on the branch on the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, and on that nest there was an egg, a rare egg, a rattling egg, and an egg in the nest, and the nest in the branch in the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, and on that egg there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattling bird, on the egg in the nest, and the nest in the branch in the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, and on that bird there was a feather, a rare feather, a rattling feather, feather on the bird on the egg in the nest, and the limb on the branch in the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, on that feather there was a flea, a rare flea, a rattling flea, a flea on the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest, and the legs on the branch in the tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog down in the valley, yay! And now you can breathe. Bye.